ng Welcon. Ito yung pumatay sa kanila. Ito na naman.
They just open up with Tangkay, immediately recognizing the team.
Gelling with the handoff. Oh, nice anticipation by Tangkay. And Tangkay accelerating and getting the easy 2. 5 points for Jojo Tangkay. Tangkay trying to get it back. And he does. Paul Artadi going to do? He misses it. And it goes back to him. Tangkay for the 3. Yes! Oh my God! Jojo Tangkay!
And we go to
What a game! Ano? He misses it. A long rebound, natapik sa kanya, napunta sa kanya. At alam mo naman si Artadi, maghahanap ka kaagad ng mapapasahan. And Tangkay knows the situation, throws it up, and gets it to go. And the fans here at the San Juan Gym loving it. Wow!